Bamboo kitchen, a little Bali coffee. Start the day, and it comes with a little Balinese cake. It says it's got rice, coconut, and palm sugar. So it's good. It's like sticky rice. What's that?
Well, I don't know. I thought it was just garnish because it's like silly putty. There's like coconut and sugar inside. It's really tasty.
Indonesian breakfast.
Just finished breakfast over at the Bamboo Kitchen, and we've headed here to the Campuhan Ridge walk, and we're at the north entrance. We're just walking up, and I'm already so excited because it looks so beautiful. We're not even inside yet. What a view. Oh my gosh. Beautiful. Saying to Lemon how we've been staying in this villa for 3 days. We haven't really left much, and on the day we go to leave, we discover all these beautiful like guest houses and spas and temples, and I wish we could stay this area a little longer, but we can't.
Alright, we just got done on the ridge walk. Walked down to the temple and back, and we gotta go check out. Stopped to get some water at the local warung. Haven't forgot to grab the change. He rode up on his motorbike to give it to us.
He came and found us, yeah, it was
for
really
only
nice.
2,000 rupiah. So very nice.
Obviously we're a little out of breath because we're a lot out of shape.
Yeah. Talking about working out soon.
It is an easy walk. It's just really hot, and when there's no shade it just gets a little much, so make sure you bring water with you. Other than that, pretty easy. Anybody can do it, and it was beautiful, huh?
Very beautiful.
Yeah, only about 30 minutes each way. So, all right, now we gotta go check out. See you later.